Now f dash x equals to, let's consider this sine cube x as this raised to 3. Okay, therefore this 3 will come, and this raised to 3 minus 1 is 2, means whole we have sine bracket pi by 3 cos of pi upon 3 root 2 minus 4x cube plus 5x square plus 1 raised to 3 by 2. This square, so I can write here square. Okay. Now into, now we have to differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiation this with respect to x means what? Pi by 3 is there, so it's constant. Now differentiation cos is minus sine, therefore minus sine of whole this pi upon 3 root 2 bracket minus 4x cube plus 5x square plus 1 raised to 3 by 2. Now what we are doing is I am differentiating cos. Okay, therefore cos become sine of this. Now differentiation of cos is what? Sine. We have this. Okay. Now we need to differentiate this. Okay. Here we need to differentiate this with respect to x. So into, so here pi by 3 root 2 into differentiation of this is what? 3 by 2 will come minus 4x cube plus 5x square plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 minus 1. Okay, into differentiation of this. Okay, here will be 4 3s are 12 minus 12 x square plus 5 2s are 10x 0. Okay. Now here after this, now what you have to do? You have to substitute here here x equals to 1. Therefore f dash 1 equals to what? You substitute instead of x1. Okay, here you will get some term which is cancelled. Here 3 and you substitute x equals to 1 over here. Whatever x you substitute 1, you will get 3 pi square upon 16. Okay, you check it this. Okay, but it's easy. You have to substitute x equals to what? X equals to 1 in these relations. Okay, in these relations you will get it 3 pi square by 16. This is very easy. Okay, just be careful while solving.